Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's Catherine and Adobe here again, and today's video is a very special one because Easter is around the corner, and of course I'm gonna deliver. I'm gonna give you guys an Easter hairstyle inspo. Oh my god, that sounds so nice. That sounded so nice. Anyways, we're gonna dive right in. No need to ramble about, no need to beat around the bush. You guys just saw me moisturize our hair. I first of all sprayed in some detangling spray, and then I went in with a leave-in conditioner. Now I'm sectioning the hair. I parted the middle part, and I am doing this here. Yeah, I would have said I divided the hair into four, but these parts at the down are kind of lower. It's not in the middle. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. And I'm gonna do this, okay, after like parting these ones at the back. I braided that love shape there, and I'm gonna bring you guys through how I did that. For that, I did like this curve, this V little tiny here at the middle, and I'm gonna work with this down part. Okay, so that V part is gonna be a guide for me to part that in between, just like this. Take one side out and start working with the other side. Just keep on watching this process. This thing I'm doing here is self-explanatory, so just watch the process for yourself, and you get everything well. So that went by really well. You guys are seeing the two love signs at the back, and I began one side. As a matter of fact, I finished one side. Now I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna bring you guys through with how I did the other side. So for that, I'm gonna part the ear from her ear to the middle. Yeah, just like divide into two the remaining parts. That's how I did the other side. Okay, and after that, I will be using my shine and jam to slick out the line, obviously, which is very essential when it comes to feeding braids or cornrows. So I'm gonna start working from the back first of all, and for that I will be parting like a straight line but curve at the end, like an L line. Yeah, technically an yellow line just to the middle, so it can give like a shuku vibe. That is the reason for the yellow line, because if not, I could have just like braided straight if I just wanted the two to meet, but I want it to look like a shuku, okay, like a ponytail. So I'm gonna start feeding that in. Just keep on watching. I'm using braiding extensions for that matter. That is attachment, or Nigerian, well, is that in Nigeria? Anyone is a lush attachment anyways. So I'm gonna be feeding that in, bringing it in from time to time, just a feeding braid technically. So just keep on watching and you'll figure out everything just in time. Guys, apparently I lost some clips. You see this particular one I am braiding now, I lost the clip of how I parted it. Like, I lost a couple of clips, to be honest, but the most important one was, how I parted this particular one I'm braiding. But don't worry, you will see how it looks like. That will be a guide for you to figure out how I parted it. So take a good look at that. It's looking like a diamond shape or an A shape, I don't know, or it was that called a diagonal shape or something. So from that shape, from that one that I've already braided, I made a V shape. Look at it. Take a good look at that. Hope you guys are figuring this out. Like, yeah, literally. So for the first one, the one I braided initially, the one I cornrowed or fed in initially before this one that I'm working on now, that looked like an A shape. And for this one, this is a V shape. I was able to achieve the pattern of this one from the pattern of the other one. Hope you guys are feeling me. Hope you guys are understanding. Yeah, and this one I just braided out. It's not a cornrow, it's not a feeding, like just like this. Look at the two of them in the middle there. Yeah, that is how it looks. And the reason for the one I said I lost the clip is so it can give that shuku vibe. Hope you guys are getting me. Like, shuku is like a all-round something. It's not like back and forth. Oh my god, this my explanation sucks. I know. So for this one I'm working with right now, we're gonna make a cross feeding right here. So this is the first one, I guess. I'll braid to, or I will feed into a point just there, just a little bit. I'll feed into that point and I will stop, and I will part out another one and start feeding into a point and just cross it over like an X, like letter X. See, just watch this. My explanation is not working at all. Thank you. So now I am done with the cross stage. Now I think I can resume my explanation because it was getting hot. So I finished the cross stage. I braided one more on this side, making 3, and this is the 4th one on this side, and I parted this like a slant line. If you guys are noticing it, I am slicking down her hair. When you're doing fitting, slicking down is very important. You need your edge control on standby when you're feeding in. It is very important. So I did that. I braided that one that I parted. You guys saw me parting, and this is the 4th one, hopefully the last, if I'm not mistaken, I guess. And I'm gonna feed in just like I've been doing, nothing serious, nothing difficult, easy peasy. And yeah, so you guys should keep on watching. For feeding, you guys are seeing how tiny the extension I am adding at intervals. You're seeing how tiny it is. I kind of increased the size of the extension for the feeding. I don't know if you guys are getting me. Just like Ghana weaving, how you keep on increasing as you're braiding further. That is how this is, but bit by bit, like very tiny bits. So yeah, and we are done. Hold up, we are not done. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie that out with my elastic band or scrunchies, and I'm gonna just roll it like a bantu knot. I'm gonna roll it, twist it down and start wrapping it like a bantu knot, literally. Like, this is the beauty of this style. I love the fact that is easy. I love the fact that I didn't have to braid it out or use beads or anything like that. I'll do the same on this other side. And yeah, moving on to this single braids here, I'm just gonna go in with my beads. Same thing I'll be doing with the two at the back, so just keep on watching. Don't go nowhere yet. We aren't done yet. This is the fun part, and I love this bead. I love how tiny they are. Not the regular bead, not the regular size of beads. These are quite tiny. I just slide in, I think 10 pieces 10 beads on each of them, maybe, or less, I don't know, well, maybe 10. I just slid that in, and look at the colors at the back, blue and red. I just love these colors that I use overall. They are so pretty, so cute. I will just slide that in, tie it out, make sure that it's tied securely, cut it out, bond the end so it doesn't unravel, not forgetting to lay down her edges because it's very important. We don't want no hair flying around. I mean, and see how my baby girl is smiling. Why would she smile? Her hair is done. And then I went in with this colorful scrunchies to add some, I'm extra. I mean, why not accessorize if you can? I went in with them and they look so cute. They elevated the hair from 100 to 1000. And guys, look at my baby girl. Oh my goodness, this hairstyle looks so good. It looks so good, honestly. You can't tell me nothing. And of course, I'm using my lighter to burn out the frizz. We don't want no frizz, considering this was not deep in hot water, so I'm gonna take precaution and burn them out. Guys, see how this hair looks. See how good it looks on my girl. It complemented her skin. It complemented everything. Tell me you want to make this hair for Easter. Tell me you won't make this hair on your baby girl for Easter, then you are not a good person. Anyways, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this style? Is it worth recreating? Will you be trying it out? Let me know, comment down below. If there is anything you need clarification on, do comment and I'll be glad to answer you. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. I didn't tell you all to thumbs up to my video since so do that right now. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.